Hello, my name is Reza. Now I want to explain about the core concepts of my custom program. My project extends from the robot dodge project with 5 robot types, 2 bullets, and 2 pickups, which is lives and ultimate. And this all built around the object-oriented programming principles using inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. And this is how the program works. In here, we can see the players, the robots, the bullets that shot, the heads-up unit display, which is there are lives and ultimate available, and the score. And also we can see here there are ultimate drops and life drops. And here are also the ultimate shoot. And then the key feature of this project is the invincibility or iframes. So after taking hit, the player flash and are immune for 1.5 seconds to prevent instant death. And an ultimate that fires 16 bullets in a full circle on right click. And also the pickups that spawn on timers or drop from the enemies. And the piercing bullets using a virtual property, a score timer that respects the game state, and a scalable spawn system where adding a new robot type only needs 1 new class and 1 line. And then here are the robot hierarchy. All robots extend an abstract robot base class. And the update method is abstract, meaning every subclass must define it, and it's where its robot movement logic lives. And the player is passed in, so robot knows where to target, but they never modify the player. And everything else like collisions, health, drawing, spawning off screen stays in the base. And this drop pickup on that is a virtual with a default of false. So only the tank robot needs to override it to true. And the robot dodge check this property on the base type without ever knowing the concrete type, and that is the polymorphism. For the bullets and pickups, the bullet is a concrete base that handles the velocity, position, update, and deactivation. And the ultimate bullet only overrides the piercing and draw, and there is no duplicate logic. And for the pickups, the abstract pickup best handles position, collision circle, and the bob animation. And so the subclasses only define how they look. And here are the state machine. The game state is an enumeration with 4 states, both handle input and update switch on it. And when lives hit 0, it transitions to game over, saves the final score, and blocks all input except the R button. And pressing the R button triggers the restart, which is called the reset method, rebuilding the player's robot and pickups from scratch. And the spacebar toggles between playing and pause. And this is where the updates is skipped entirely. Here are the object-oriented programming principles. To wrap up, the inheritance across 3 classes like a robot, bullet, and pickup. And the abstraction through robot and pickup being abstract. They cannot be instantiated directly. And for the polymorphism, the robot update method are called on the base type but run the subclass logic. And for the encapsulation, we cannot set the lives directly. We have to call lose life method, which also handles triggering invincibility frames internally. Thank you.